Hello everyone, in this video we have been given x plus 1 divided by x equal 1. Now we are going to find the value of x to the power 63 plus x to the power 60 plus x to the power 52 plus x to the power 49. Answer: x plus 1 divided by x equal 1. Then LCM x, then x to the power 2 plus 1 divided by x equal 1. Then x to the power 2 plus 1 equal x. Then x to the power 2 minus x plus 1 equal 0. Multiplying both sides by x plus 1, then we get, then x plus 1 into x to the power 2 minus x plus 1 equal 0 into x plus 1. Then x to the power 3 plus 1 equal 0. Then x to the power 3 equal minus 1. So x to the power 63 plus x to the power 60 plus x to the power 52 plus x to the power 49 equal x to the power 3 whole to the power 21 plus x to the power 3 whole to the power 20 plus x to the power 3 whole to the power 17 into x plus x to the power 3 whole to the power 16 into x. X to the power 3 equal minus 1. Then equal minus 1 whole to the power 21 plus minus 1 whole to the power 20 plus minus 1 whole to the power 17 into x plus minus 1 whole to the power 16 into x. Then equal minus 1 whole to the power 21 equal minus 1 plus minus 1 whole to the power 20 equal 1 plus minus 1 whole to the power 17 equal minus 1 into x plus minus 1 whole to the power 16 equal 1 into x. Then equal minus 1 plus 1 minus x plus x. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel, minus x plus x cancel. Then equal 0. Then x to the power 63 plus x to the power 60 plus x to the power 52 plus x to the power 49 equal 0. Thus our answer x to the power 63 plus x to the power 60 plus x to the power 52 plus x to the power 49 equal 0.